So in today's lecture I will be giving you all exercise problem, and second is the correspondence between ideals and one example. So exercise problem is like, before that I have to give you all isomorphism theorems. Let me start with the class. So theorem 2.2, isomorphism theorem. First is what? Let phi from L1 tending to L2 be a homomorphism of Lie algebras. Then kernel of phi is an idol of L1 and image of phi is a subalgebra of L2. And L1, this is what upon kernel of phi is isomorphic to image of phi. Next is what? Second one is what? If I and j are idols of Lie algebra, then I plus j upon j is isomorphic to I upon I intersection j. Third is what? Suppose that I and j are idols of a Lie algebra L such that I is a subset of j, then j by I is an idol of L by I, and L by I upon j by I, is isomorphic to L by j, L upon j, Now these proofs are not been included, So now this part, first one, this B and C of these theorems are known respectively of the first, second and the third isomorphism theorems, So we need this to prove one exercise problem, especially the first one. So exercise 2.4, show that if L is Lie algebra, then L upon Z of L is isomorphic to subalgebra of GL of L. So solution is what? I have to consider add of L tending to GL of L, and add of x of y is equal to Lie bracket of x comma y. Now you all know from where this came, from adjoint homomorphism. The definition of adjoint homomorphism, which I have already given to you all in the previous lectures. So now, what is kernel of add? Add is what? Nothing but adjoint homomorphism, right? So kernel of add is equal to set of x belong to L, where add of x is equal to 0. So if add of x is equal to 0, so this becomes 0 homomorphism, right? So now this is equal to set of x belong to L, where add of x into y. Now this also will be equal to 0 for all y belong to L. Now this comes in which form? Now what is this? Is equal to x belong to L, add of x into y. This was nothing but equal to Lie bracket of x comma y. So that's what I have done, which is equal to 0 for all y belongs to L. And don't forget to put this bracket thing, here. Alright, so now this is equal to nothing but center of Lie algebra, Z of L, Now by the theorem 2.2a, meaning which one it is? This one, right? This theorem we are using. I am taking this here, Yeah. So now L upon kernel of add is isomorphic to image of add. But in that what we have used was phi, because it was a homomorphism Lie algebra and kernel of phi was given. Here it is kernel of add. We are talking about kernel of add. So that's why we have to use, instead of phi, we have to use. So L upon kernel of add is isomorphic to image of add. So now this implies what? Nothing but L upon, now what is kernel of add? What I got? Kernel of add is nothing but Z of L, So L upon Z of L, kernel of add is Z of L, is isomorphic to this. You all write it as it is, image of add, And image of add is a subalgebra of GL of L, So finally we are done with this exercise problem. Now I will be doing correspondence between ideals. Correspondence between ideals. Suppose that I is an idol of the Lie algebra L. There is a bijective correspondence between the idols of L by I and the idols of L that contains I. This correspondence is as follows. If J just put this, okay? J is an idol of L containing I, then J by I is an idol of L by I. Conversely, if K is an idol of L by I, then J is equal to set of Z belonging to L, where Z plus J belongs to K is an idol of L containing I. Okay, so this you all have to know. And next is what? So next is example 2.4. Suppose that L is a Lie algebra and I is an idol of and I is an idol in L such that L by I is abelian in this case. Okay, the idols of L by I are just a subspace of L by I. By idol correspondence, the idols of L which contains I are exactly the subspace of L which contains I. So with this, I'm done with today's lecture. In the next lecture, I will be starting with the chapter 6, and thanks for watching. If you all have not understood any of the concept, you all can comment below.